Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got a new beer for me to try and for you guys to look at. Okay, Lone Pine IPA from Sawdust, the City Brewing Company. I know they're a new brewery, they're just opening up. I know they're not even open yet. But this was brewed somewhere. Where was it? It says here. Brewed and packaged at Black Oak Brewing, Etobicoke, Ontario. Ooh, here we go. Ingredients: malted barley, two-row, crystal, Cara Munich, Cara Form, hops: Simcoe, Chinook, Columbus, Summit, yeast, California Ale. Sawdust City Brewing, Gravenhurst, Ontario, Canada. Want me to do a read? I guess I'll do a read. Take a pic. You approach the solitary windswept pine as it sits upon a tiny perch of Canadian shield, and you wonder to yourself, why does this beautiful tree stand alone? Then as you step closer, in awe of its majesty splendor, a branch blows down and slaps you right across the face. Sawdust City's Lone Pine IPA is aggressively hopped and bursting with flavors of pine and citrus, loaded with mounds of hops and balanced with a blend of 4 different malts. As described earlier, that like the trunk, like that Tresson tree, each glass is like a pine bow across your face. You've been warned. Maybe this is gonna be piney beer. Born in our hearts and brewed with our hands. Oh, there we go. OG 15, IBU 65, SRM 11, FG 2.5. Nice cap. Nice hiss. Save that. Ooh hoo hoo. Piney. Let's give her a pour. Oh, she's lighter color in the pour. Oh yeah, nice bubble up. Oh wow, nice lighter color with some haze, some stuff floaties. Yes, yum. Ah, fingerhead. Pine. First whiff, I got the hops. Earthy ones. Alright, let's give her a taste. Can't see quite through her. Nice golden. Nice frothy head too. It is kind of cold. Maybe it's hazy. Wow. Oh. It's piney, alright. You've been warned. It's piney. Cheers, guys.